everybody, welcome back to Chef Dawg. Today we have a special treat for you. It's not him. We are going to make one of our favorite desserts here, and our favorite treat is called chocolate chip fruit pizza. So the first thing you need to do is just make your favorite chocolate chip recipe. I even thought that these would taste good on sugar cookies. That's another thing you can try. Okay, now we're going to go into our cool montage. We got all the cookies made and we are going to now make the frosting. So the first thing you want to do is get 2 tablespoons of milk and 2 tablespoons of white chocolate chips, and you microwave that for 1 minute. All right, so you take that out and stir it around. Make sure they're nice and melty. If they're not, put it back in for maybe another 30 seconds. All right, the next thing you do is take a 1/4 cup powdered sugar and an 8-ounce tub of cream cheese. We're gonna mix that. And you wanna set your cream cheese out. You wanna have it thawed out. Okay, and then we're gonna add our melted white chocolate chips. You wanna make sure that it cools down, that it's not hot. Mix that all up. And then you're gonna take 1 cup of Cool Whip, and then you're gonna fold it into your mixture. I don't know why it says that. Okay, then we're gonna take our mixture and our cookies, and we're gonna start frosting them. You can also make this on a big pizza cookie roll. That's how I've always done it. But for Father's Day, we were hosting a party and I thought, I want to try these on small cookies and homemade cookies. And let me tell you, the homemade cookies, so much better. I think I ate about, 10 of these. Okay, so I got those all frosted. The next step is you take strawberries, and if you have like an egg slicer, that works best, and just slice them. On these little ones, only probably about 2. Okay, so we got all the strawberries put on, and then I just put 1 mandarin orange on top. Don't they look so cute? And the last part to make these so cute is you take a teaspoon of oil and a 1/4 cup of chocolate chips, then pour them in a bag and cut a little hole at the top. And there you go. This is like, love these so much. We're gonna have Chef Junior come in and we're gonna have him take a bite of one. Okay, so we are going to invite Chef Junior and Chef Dawg. You haven't seen him for a while, so we thought we would get him in here and chocolate chip cookies.
Taking a nap,
chocolate chip
enjoying
cookies.
my Sunday.
Chocolate chip cookies are his favorite dessert. He's not a big dessert guy, but chocolate chip cookies,
Oh yeah.
Face.
Okay, there you go.
I've already had them.
I know, just, describe it to the...
This is dreamy, beyond dreaminess.
Oh yeah.
That strawberry with a little chocolate dripped across the top. And these are the homemade cookies too,
Yeah,
huh?
like I said,
yeah.
you can buy the big roll and do 1 giant one, which is a lot quicker. But homemade cookies, so much better. So much better.
Yeah.
They are. Yeah.
Yeah, use your own homemade chocolate chip cookie recipe. A question, can you do this with other kind of cookies?
Yeah, I said at the beginning, I think sugar cookies. You think a sugar cookie?
I would never do anything other than chocolate chip.
I know.
No.
But I thought maybe, maybe you could. I don't know.
I wouldn't. And who doesn't like chocolate chip? Oh my goodness. Oh, cream stuff.
Yeah, we've already talked about that. It's on our video.
Like, huge hit. Everywhere, every time she makes this, they get eaten by everybody.
Oh yeah.
Sometimes I have to hide them in the fridge so I can have, for the next day. All right, well, thanks for watching. Just keep some strawberries and mandarin oranges and cream cheese and Cool Whip and powdered sugar and white chocolate chips. Keep that like stocked in your fridge, in your pantry, because you'll be making these like once a week, I promise. So thanks for watching, and subscribe, like, share, all that fun stuff, and we'll see you next time.